Hey, this is Ryan, and if you're looking to make an upgrade from a standard bike seat like this to something very, very comfortable, this video is for you. Now, some very important things to note besides the just sheer size difference when it comes to this would be a considered oversized seat with significant padding. You have significant shock absorbing. This will fit up to a 22-inch wide diameter pole that holds a seat on a bike. The bottom here is made out of very hard plastic. This has a significant cushion within it itself. You can see this is very cushiony. It's contoured to the shape of you-know-what. Kind of a cool stitching design. This isn't actually stitching. This looks like a print of some sort that goes all the way around. Then you have these massive shock absorbers here on the rear end. The full width from end to end is right at 14 inches this way. Front to back is right at about 9 inches. It comes with 2 pieces of hardware to mount to a bike. It also comes with a safety arm bracelet, so if you're riding at night, it makes it very easy with this reflective material for vehicles to see you. Another cool feature I did not realize until I started mounting this is that the seat will rotate back and forth using this hinge. So from a mounting standpoint, the user might want to have the seat tilted this way or tilted this way. It's very easy to do with the provided screws. You just loosen this screw and then it can tilt forward or tilt back. Very, very comfortable. The much wider seat is a nice upgrade from a standard seat, especially if you're looking for more of a cruiser or you just want more comfort. Pleasantly surprised. I did not know they had seat upgrades like this, so this was definitely a nice surprise. The cushion fits very nice. It has a little bit of a texture, as you can see here, so it's not slippery, and the springs in the rear give it even more of a cushion. So you sort of have a double. You have this cushion plus this spring cushion. Definitely a nice, comfortable bike seat. Hopefully that answers any questions you might have. We'll talk to you soon.